Welcome back to another video, guys. So today we have a lot of plans. So the first plan is to visit one of our friends in the hill area. So it's very awesome place. So stay tuned, and Prasan is here to receive us. Hey, what's up, bro?
Good afternoon, sir. Yes.
Thank you. All right, let's go. Our friends have just joined us. They're in another car. Check this out, guys. What's up, guys?
Check this out.
Hey, KFC! Woo!
Kali box.
What the heck? These guys are cheaters, guys.
Drink Kali drinks. Oh yeah.
These guys are cheating, guys. Prasan, Zingso and Surat Sanjay had KFC.
Oh.
And they had the empty box just to show us. To make us feel jealous. So what are we gonna do?
Let's go and eat momo, pork momo. That's more delicious.
Yeah,
More
we'll eat pork momo once we return from the trip. Alright guys, so Kamba has just joined us. So he left his gypsy there. And then we're gonna go somewhere. So Kamba, where are we going?
We're going to my village,
Okay.
Tangal.
Nice. All right, let's go, guys. It's gonna be super amazing. Hey, so my brothers are in that car. Now we're gonna switch our drivers. Now the pro driver will enter. Pro driver is here now. Prasan went in that car, guys. What a beautiful scenery, guys. Check this out. So we're gonna go up in that hill, guys. Hey, wow. What a beautiful scenery.
This is Tingri,
Okay,
Awang Tingri.
Awang Tingri, guys. If you're from Awang Tingri, comment down below, guys. This place is super amazing. The boys are behind us. Hey, Surat. Woo! Red Bull happening, guys, and Black Bull also happening. Hey, woo! Alright guys, so we just entered his village, and that small village in front of us is the old village, and the new village is right there. And for your information, he is the son of Ningthau. Ningthau means king or chief, so he's the son of the chief. So literally he's a prince. So, Prince Kamba is with us, guys. So we are going to his kingdom right now. Hey guys, the road and is very danger happening. Wow. Oh, whoa. I'm gonna get all scratches everywhere. Wow, this is very small. What? Oh, what a small road, guys. We cannot see anything in front of us. It's so small. The smallest road ever.
जब ऊपर पहुंचेगा तब मजा आएगा.
Yeah. What? Wow, this is awesome. Wow. Whoa. Wow. Any scratches on the car?
Holy moly, guys.
The road was so small, guys. We could barely fit one car in it. Check the view from here, guys. Wow.
Holy moly, guys. What the unnecessary view.
Wow. Alright guys, so we're gonna go to the waterfall. The prince is with us and he's gonna take us to the waterfall. It's gonna be super amazing. And yes, we're gonna leave our vehicles here because after we walk for some time, there is no more blacktopping on the road. So our cars won't be able to pass unless it's a Jeep or a 4x4. After walking for half an hour, we are almost there at the waterfall. The waterfall is right there between these mountains. It's off season, so we're not sure if there will be water there. Let's hope the waterfall is not dry completely. Woo! So here is the waterfall, guys. Yeah, if you listen carefully, you can hear the sound. Oh, so many frogs! Yes! Wow! Wow!
Wow, what a waterfall.
Woo! Oh, let's climb up. Whoa. It's very slippery. Guys, the main waterfall is up there. Come up, guys. Let's go. This place is very slippery, guys. Wow! What the? Guys! Oh, during season, this place will be full of water everywhere. Wow! Unfortunately, this is off season, so the water is not flowing much. But you can imagine, full of water flowing down. Wow! What a beautiful waterfall is happening. Next time we'll come back when the water is fully flowing.
Oh,
Wow.
photo.
Whoa. Alright guys, so the waterfall is done. So the next plan. So we're gonna go to Mantripukri and have momos.
Oi, oi, oi.
Bye guys. Bye. So we're going back from the beautiful view. Let's enter the city, guys. Hey, wow, what a beautiful view. Woo! Alright guys, we have reached Mantripukri. Let's go, let's go. We're gonna go right from here. Momo Chafam is right there. Alright, we are here at the Momo Chafam. So it's 5 PM in the evening. Let's hope we get momos. Yeah, we are late, but let's see if we get momos. Oh, it looks like it's houseful. No more momos, guys.
Khatam, guys. No more momo.
Ogmarin lay, bro.
Ogmarin like telo ere dusu.
Oh,
Let's take another point.
it's 5 already, so it's sold out. No problem. We have one more place here. Let's go. So guys, this is the next place. Let's go. Oh, there's a guard. So this is Mantripukri Momo Hotel. Alright guys, so here we have the momos. It is looking delicious already. OP momos, guys.
Nice competition.
Competition yan.
Momo and happening, guys.
How is it?
Now I booked job.
One more plate. Yes. Bring it on, bring it on. Super.
Oh, soup.
Here we have a soup in glass. Nice. Super.
Guys,
Go with soup.
this momo tastes better than expensive restaurants.
Yes.
Soup da ade euta bagi cha tanto.
Mera bhai
All the plates are empty, guys. Wow.
Rahul wants to lick the plate.
Everything was awesome, guys. Even the momo was awesome, and the soup, super delicious. Better than expected.
You guys should visit here.
Yeah. Right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Oi. Oof.
Alright, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
I hope you like it. If yes, please do hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, and we'll catch you up in another video. Take care, guys.